Hi everyone. For the longest time now, I've been wanting to start a bullet journal just so I can become more organized and stay on top of things better for school and in my daily life. So I decided to go online and look at some reviews for some bullet journals that in particular would be best for beginners and just be overall good for the things I was going to do. So the reviews online, especially on Amazon, were definitely leading towards the Leuchtturm 1917 notebook. So I decided to go online and buy it. It was around $20 and it comes with 249 blank pages, a table of contents, and a bunch more stuff that I'm going to show you in this video. And I was just really excited to get it, and I just thought that everything about the notebook was really nice because it came with a bunch of features, and the dotted pages are exactly what I was going for. I didn't want the lines like most journals and other notebooks like that, because I wanted to start a bullet journal so I could stay more on top of things and just overall become a more organized person. So as I was going through it, I noticed that at the beginning, I noticed these two pieces of paper, and I was actually pretty surprised by getting these because I didn't know I was going to. So I was looking through them, and it's just kind of like a little guide to how the notebook is going to work, etc. And this is the little packet thing. And then the second thing was a little thank you card from the people who made the notebook, and I just thought everything about it was very personalized and was really nice and was actually much different from what I was actually expecting, so I was really happy about that. And then right here is just the name and the address you could put so you don't lose your notebook, or if it does get lost, someone could possibly give it back to you, and I just like the personalized touches of that. And so now we're at the table of contents pages, and from what I was seeing online, it only seemed like there was going to be around one table of contents pages, but there's actually three, which I thought was really nice and was hopefully going to help me keep the notebook for a long period of time, and hopefully I could use it throughout the entire school year or throughout the entire year in general. And now, as you can see, these are just the standard dotted pages that most bullet journals have, but the paper is a little bit of a cream color, which I thought was really nice. And right here, as you can see, there's 249 pages, and I like the cream color because most bullet journals have either a white or a yellow color, and the cream color kind of is an in-between of the two, and I just really liked that. Right here, these are some of the stickers that the bullet journal comes with, and I probably won't use these stickers in particular on the bullet journal itself because I like the black look and I just like how minimalistic it is, but I probably will use those stickers on some other notebooks for school or something else just because they are really nice and stuff like that. So here, that was the envelope on the back, so you can put some papers in the back if you would need to. I probably won't use it as much because I don't like the notebook to really stick out. I would rather have it be flat. And I'm just going to go through everything that came in this notebook just so it's kind of like an overview. So here is the thank you and the little guide packet to how everything works. Here are the stickers that came with the notebook in the back. On Amazon, this is the Leuchtturm 1917 medium dotted pages black notebook, and so if any of you want to buy it, I would definitely recommend because of how everything that the reviews online were very accurate, and it is made in Germany, which I thought was really cool because I like the different languages that come in it, like in the front, in the table of contents, in the beginning, everything about it. I just really like how standard and like minimalistic it looks, in almost a way it looks very aesthetic. And so for that, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and have a good day.